Alright fellas, Lil Tecca's new album Dopamine just dropped, and today we're gonna be cooking up something kind of like On Your Own, Half the Plot, and Boys Don't Cry. Something kind of like in a mix of all those songs. We're gonna kind of mix certain elements from each song into one beat, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a dopamine type beat for Lil Tecca. Okay, let's go. For this beat, we're gonna stick with 130 for our BPM, and most of the album is somewhere around like 125 to 140, I think. So anywhere around 130 is good. And we're gonna start with some chords. Let's try this one. So for our scale, we're in C minor, and I'm gonna show you guys another progression, how to build it quick. We're gonna start with our root note here, which is C. And now we're gonna count 7 notes up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're gonna get rid of all these notes here. Then we're just gonna stretch this one out and go back to our root note right here. And then from this one, we're gonna go 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have our bass notes for our chords. You know what I mean? So now we have a little bass line going, and we're gonna build our chords from here. So I'm just gonna make pretty much just a minor and major chords. So this is just a simple minor chord. This is another minor chord right here. Let's invert it. This is gonna be a major chord here. Let's try like strumming them. I don't know about these notes up here. I think I'm just gonna copy them and put them into another sound. And this is our rough little progression chord idea here. I'm gonna clone this twin 2, find a bunch of cool sounds to kind of layer this like just super simple piano with. I want something synthy though, not really like piano-y, but I'm gonna layer it with another kind of sound, so copy it. Yeah, let's keep layering it. Give me some cool synths, man. Give me some cool synths. What the frick? Yeah, I got a shawty out back. I got a honey right on my lap. I got a I got a money right on my call me out money. Addict, how I got a honey right on my lap. Come on, man, give me a synth. Yeah, I'm gonna try using a one shot. It's not giving me the synth I like, so I'm gonna go to my Music Plus kit. If you guys want my Music Plus kit, you guys want to help support the channel, get some new, fresh sounds. You know what I mean? Check it out. Links to me in the description. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab a little one shot here. I'm gonna stack it with a few sounds. I just want it to sound cool, you know, because a lot of the melodies on this album are actually pretty simple. Like it's very, very simple melodies. It's just like really interesting sound selection, you know, like the sounds for the synths. I think I'm gonna keep going back and forth with the sounds, but right now I'm just gonna work on this little lead right here. And I've showed you guys this before, but if you guys want to make your one shots glide, go over here to this wrench thing, turn porta on, mono on, and set the max to 1, and then just mess around with the slide. The more you turn up the slide, the longer it takes it to like glide into the note. So this is what it sounds like when you max it out. I mean, it kind of sounds like a mosquito flying by. Another thing I noticed with the album is, I think it was on Half the Plot, the lead wasn't actually that insane. It was like literally just like a pluck. It went like this. And then one of them went like up. Okay, let's freak off the lead a little bit. Oh! Okay, we're gonna freak the second one a little bit different. You know what I mean? This is called, we're gonna do the cousin method. Shout out to Mr. Tumford for articulating this theory. So this is called the cousin method right here. So as you see, this part and this part are very similar. The only difference is the endings right here. So, you know what I mean? This is where the cousin method comes in, you know? So So with the first keys that we did, I'm gonna take out like these little arpeggiated notes and all that shit. I'm just gonna make it like super just standard chords, you know. Hit Control L to extend all of them and make them like connect. So I think this is a nice little vibe. I'm actually really happy with this. So let's just start working on the drums here. And as always, I'm going to be using my Music Plus kit. If you guys want it, links will be in the description. So I'm going to start with a clap. Here. And instead of an 808, we're going to use a bass. And I think we're also going to use an 808 at the same time. On this album, a lot of songs had just a bass instead of an 808. Or they'd put a bass for like a bridge and a chorus, and then randomly have an 808 like for the verse or something like that. I'm going to stick with this theme of using twin 2. I'm going to follow the root notes, you know what I mean? Maybe we pitch everything up because it goes a little low. Let's try pitching everything up a little bit. Let's pitch it up. What? 3? Let's pitch it up one more. Transpose selected. One more. I'm gonna show you guys a quick trick for instead of like clicking in your kick right here to match your 808. What you can do is just copy your kick. So right click, copy, paste right here, and then open up the pattern here, hit Control 8 to select everything, and then hit Alt K, and then basically set this just to C right here. And basically I'll move all the notes just to C, and then hit accept. And then you can also do this for like your melodies, hi-hats, whatever you want to use it for. Just hit Alt K. Counter snare. So they like doing this on the album right here. And then right here, we're gonna do a little uno reverso. We're gonna place one note right here, and then we're gonna put this up to, I don't know, let's put it up to C. And then we're gonna make this note a reverse note. So just double click it, go over here, click this little thing, hit accept, and then take the velocity of the bottom note, the one that isn't a slide note, and put it all the way down, and put this velocity all the way up. And basically it'll slide. It'll like reverse slide. So this is what it's gonna sound like. Hits that little slide up. Now I'm gonna add a little 808. So we're gonna mute our little bass and we're gonna mute our kick. I think we're gonna use the Tim horns, you know what I mean? You just can't go wrong with the Tim's long. And basically we're just gonna copy our pattern, our bass pattern, but let's just pitch it up. Okay, I'm gonna do a little final finishing touches here. And I'm gonna mess around with the melody sounds. Just kind of get the chords sounding how I like. I don't wanna overthink it though, but I might. This is some super geek pack sauce right here. I don't know how to do it on PC, but on Mac, if you want to reorganize your sounds in the channel rack, hold Shift and Control and then hover over the sound and then Control wheel. I don't know how to do this on PC, but I assume it's Shift and like, I don't know, function key or something like that, and then scroll wheel.
watching all the